Hey, Sports and Entertainment Marketing. So here's the plan for this week. I decided to give you guys an extra day, as we talked about, to work on your presentations. So that's going to be Tuesday. We'll just take the day to keep on working on it. Make sure you use your time wisely. And then Thursday morning, you're going to practice presenting. Like, just go through your presentation, say it out loud so that you're catching any grammatical things, or so you kind of notice where you might need to um refine what you're saying, or like make it more succinct, or things like that. Just kind of like refine it, make it, practice it. um and then Thursday during sync time, we're going to be practicing in small groups. So like, you're going to pick a couple people that you like. It'll probably be like the small groups that we already have assigned. um and you're going to practice with them, because then on Monday you're going to be recording in the morning. So you may actually even want to practice recording. Maybe even listen to yourself. Maybe that'd be a good thing to do on Thursday morning, is to actually make the recording of yourself and make sure you like it. And then yeah, then on Monday you're going to be showing that recording to the people who are going to be helping to grade you. So make sure you do a good job on this and make sure it's ready to go. All right, I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.